One of the things with any ERP is that there is what we'll call standard out-of-the-box functionality. Many ERPs have a lot of functionality already available in them, and depending on the classifications of some of the ERPs, I'll say there are some that have a lot of data points, and then there's sort of a medium range, which have quite a few data points and provide a lot of great functionality that matches that can be matched up and meshed with SOPs, standard operating procedures. And then there's some of the, I'll say, the ERPs that have much fewer data points, and those are sort of meant for much smaller businesses that that don't need to have things like manufacturing and that involved. But prior to creating sort of any extensions to an ERP, companies should really look into whether changes to their SOPs are viable. So making changes to your standard operating processes or procedures that would align with your ERP process could provide the needed utility you're looking for. Sometimes these changes in SOP involve a large cost. So, if you have to add machinery or add people or things like that, move stuff around, get a bigger facility or a smaller facility or things like that, it can cost a lot of money. So that has to be weighed against the cost of developing the extension, which in developing, I'm talking about developing the software side of things, so that you can realize or really determine your return on investment. And the other thing that I would couple with that is the scalability. So do you need to do, is the SOP change, scalable? Is it scaling? Are you scaling your company by changing your SOP, which will now align better with the ERP system, or would it be better because you don't want to change your process? Your process is fine. You've spent decades perfecting it, and it actually works very well. Or it would be very costly to change your process, but you definitely need this sort of functionality. Then developing something as an extension on the ERP would be the way to go.